how to assemble your Squirrel Buster standard. We'll start with the spring. Make sure that the fluted part like this is pointing up, and then insert it over the rod. Take the plunger assembly, the two pieces like this, insert the yellow one into the green, and then counterclockwise screw the yellow part like this. You'll notice that there are 3 notches on the yellow part, and then there are 3 ribs on the inside of the tube. This is where you need to align all 3 of them like this. Drop the plunger inside, hold on to the green part, slide it over, and screw in the tube. Now the shrug goes back on, and the hanger. There you go.